Hello and welcome to my new video. I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, I want to get a little bit of coziness into my house, and it's autumn and yeah, the weather is miserable, and I feel like that too sometimes, and that's why I need that. So I need some TLC for myself, and this is what this video is all about. As you may notice, I have a new logo on my channel. My daughter created this for me, and I really love it. So I will link her social media in the description box, just in case you are interested in yeah, getting one of those two specially made for you. So I'm missing some footage of me putting my Goldleave into my resin, and this is why I use this footage that I had from my last video, because the process is the same. And yeah, I don't know what I did. I probably didn't press record yeah, from the first time. I mixed up some resin in my little cups in the color blue, green, and purple, and I'm pouring this onto the still liquid resin with the gold leaf, and I'm alternating those colors. And in between the layers of the colored resin, I put clear resin in because I wanted to mix it all up somehow. So this is the point where I realized that I don't have enough resin. Even if I scrape everything out of those little cups, the mold would not be half full. So I don't know what I was thinking, trying to scrape out every little bit that I still had left. Yeah, realizing that I have to make another batch for the lid as well. So no problem with that. So I mixed up some more resin and put my gold leaf in there and stirred it around, put as much as I needed into the lid, and putting the rest of that gold foil resin into my mold, but that still didn't fill it up. So I try to scrape it down the sides, and as you can see, the resin just disappears with the gold leaf. And yeah, it's so far from being full that, yeah, I don't know. The mold has some like crevices, like diamonds and stuff, and now I'm trying to spread the gold leaf in every single of those crevices. I mixed up the same colors as before, and now I'm putting them into my lid. Yeah. And to mix up the colors even more, I just put a little bit of clear resin in there. The lid has a 90-degree angle. That means it will trap air anyhow. So this is what I'm trying to get rid of. But if you do that, be careful that you don't use nothing sharp because you scratch up your mold. The leftover resin I colored with purple color, and I put some glitter in there in the hopes that it will maybe sink throughout the resin that I put in there first. So we'll see how that goes. Now, as you can see, I'm still scraping out my cup and realize that I still don't have enough resin to fill up this mold. And you can see that the glitter is just running left and right. It must have a little bit of a bow on the floor part of the mold. So I still scrape everything out and try to figure out how that works. Yeah, like I said, it's still not enough, and so I used a trick to yeah, make it happen. So as you can see, I put 2 bottles left and right of the mold just to make it go inward a little bit. So this will cause the resin to go into the middle as well. So I end up with enough resin on the bottom of this piece that it will form a durable bottom. This may not work for every mold, but in this case it worked. It is about 24 hours later and I am about to demold my pieces. With the lid it worked beautifully because there's not much to do with it. It's a flat piece and there's no worries. I had a little bit of a hard time with the box itself because it's a sturdy mold and yeah, I didn't want it to rip it. And this is a good mold, and you can see here I have inlays like that. They came with the mold, and they prevent the mold from yeah, leaning inwards with too much resin in there. I sped up the rest of the demolding because it took me a while to get it out. So this is what my box looks like, and I think it's yeah, really cute. The bottom is really thin, but it's not as thin as I feared it would be, so I could just leave it like that. So I will use that in a different way than as a box in my home, and you'll see that at the end. Yeah, this is why I like it cozy, and this is what makes it cozy for me. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment telling me how you like this project that I made this time, and I would really appreciate that a whole lot because it helps me move on. Thank you for that. I hope you liked my video and the project that I did. Yeah, I really appreciate you watching my videos, and I hope I see you in my next one as well. Until then, bye bye.